Lesson 5A, Story Time. Lesson 5B, Values. Play, play. Balls, balls. Toys, toys. Blocks, blocks. Let's practice. Let's play with balls. Let's play with balls. Let's play with toys. Let's play with toys. Let's play with blocks. Let's play with blocks. Active, active. Run, run. Jump, jump. Dance, dance. Climb, climb. I can run. I'm active. I can run. I'm active. I can jump. I'm active. I can jump. I'm active. I can dance. I'm active. I can dance. I'm active. I can climb. I'm active. I can climb. I'm active.